Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the top attractions in Kyoto, Japan. In this video, we will take you through a list of must-visit sites, enriched with additional recommendations to ensure you experience the full cultural and historical depth of this magnificent city. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications for more travel insights. We also invite you to share your own experiences and tips in the comments below. Stay tuned until the end of this video for a special bonus recommendation. Number 12. Gion District.
Gion, nestled in Kyoto's Higashiyama Ward, stands as a testament to Japan's enduring cultural heritage. This district is famed for its well-preserved traditional architecture and as the epicenter of Kyoto's geisha culture. Geishas, or geiko as they are known locally, are skilled entertainers proficient in traditional arts such as music, dance, and refined conversation. Strolling through Gion's historic streets, you'll encounter numerous ochaya, traditional tea houses where geishas perform. Participating in a tea ceremony, known as the Way of Tea, offers a profound insight into this cultural ritual. This ceremonial preparation and presentation of matcha, powdered green tea, is accompanied by traditional sweets like wagashi, providing a sensory journey into Japanese aesthetics and hospitality. The district's charm is further amplified by its picturesque stone-paved streets, such as Sanenzaka and Ninenzaka. These sloping lanes are lined with quaint shops selling local crafts, souvenirs, and delectable street food, offering a delightful blend of shopping and cultural immersion. At the summit of these historic streets lies Kiyomizu-dera, a Buddhist temple founded in the 8th century and recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple is renowned for its wooden stage that juts out from the main hall, providing panoramic views of Kyoto, especially breathtaking during the cherry blossom and autumn foliage seasons. Surrounded by serene gardens and intricate stone pathways, Kiyomizu-dera embodies the spiritual and natural beauty of Kyoto. Exploring further, Shirakawa Lane offers a tranquil escape along the canal, bordered by traditional ryokan inns, upscale dining establishments, and entertainment venues. Nearby, Hanamikoji-dori is bustling with izakayas, casual Japanese pubs, where you can savor local delicacies and experience Kyoto's vibrant nightlife. The Kamo riverbanks, particularly lively during the summer months, provide a scenic backdrop for evening strolls and seasonal festivals.
Number 11. Kyoto Imperial Palace and Gardens.
The Kyoto Imperial Palace, once the residence of Japan's imperial family from 1331 until the capital's relocation to Tokyo in 1869, stands as a monument to the nation's imperial history. The palace complex has undergone several reconstructions over the centuries, each restoration preserving its architectural grandeur and historical significance. Within the palace grounds, you'll find a collection of structures including the main palace, the Siryoden residence, and multiple ceremonial halls, all enclosed by meticulously maintained walls and gates. The surrounding Kyoto-Gyoen National Garden offers a harmonious blend of traditional Japanese and Western-style landscapes. Featuring a diverse array of flora, a tranquil pond, elegant bridges, and a traditional tea house, the gardens provide a serene environment ideal for leisurely walks and contemplation. The palace and its gardens are particularly enchanting during the cherry blossom season in spring and the vibrant foliage of autumn, making them prime spots for seasonal photography and hanami, flower viewing gatherings.
Number 10. Kyoto Tower.
Dominating the skyline near Kyoto Station, Kyoto Tower rises to a height of 131 meters, 430 feet, offering unparalleled 360-degree views of the city and its surrounding mountains. Constructed in 1964, the tower's modern design contrasts with Kyoto's ancient aesthetic, symbolizing the city's harmonious blend of tradition and progress. Visitors can ascend to the observation deck via elevator, where on clear days, landmarks such as Kiyomizu-dera and the distant Osaka can be seen. The tower also houses a revolving restaurant on its top floor, providing a unique dining experience with ever-changing vistas of the cityscape. Notably, Kyoto Tower has become a favored spot for marriage proposals, New Year's Eve countdowns, and offers a vantage point for summer fireworks displays, adding to its romantic allure.
Number 9. Nishiki Market.
Known affectionately as Kyoto's Kitchen, Nishiki Market is a historic shopping street that has been the heart of the city's culinary scene for over 4 centuries. Lined with more than 100 shops and stalls, the market offers an extensive array of local and regional specialties. From fresh seafood and seasonal produce to traditional sweets and pickled delicacies, Nishiki Market is a gastronomic paradise for food enthusiasts. Beyond its culinary offerings, the market also features shops selling traditional Japanese crafts, high-quality knives, and cooking utensils, making it an ideal place to find unique souvenirs. The vibrant atmosphere, characterized by the bustling crowds and the enticing aromas wafting through the air, provides an immersive cultural experience.
Number 8. Arashiyama Bamboo Grove.
The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is a natural wonder that captivates visitors with its towering bamboo stalks swaying gently in the breeze. This serene pathway offers a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and is particularly enchanting during the early morning or late afternoon when the sunlight filters through the dense foliage, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. Located in the larger Arashiyama district, the Bamboo Grove is part of an area celebrated for its scenic beauty and cultural heritage. One such highlight is Tenryuji Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the most important Zen temple in the district. Established in the 14th century, its Sogenshi Garden, designed by the renowned landscape artist Muso Soseki, features a stunning pond, carefully placed rocks, and perfectly manicured plants that harmonize with the surrounding mountains. Another major highlight in the area is the Togetsukyo Bridge, or Moon Crossing Bridge, which spans the Katsura River and provides one of Kyoto's most scenic views. This spot is especially breathtaking during cherry blossom season in spring and the vibrant autumn foliage months. For a more immersive experience, take a traditional boat ride along the Katsura River, where you can relax and soak in the picturesque surroundings. You might even spot monkeys from the nearby Iwatayama Monkey Park, which we'll discuss in the next section.
Number 7. Iwatayama Monkey Park.
Situated on Mount Arashiyama, Iwatayama Monkey Park is home to a lively troupe of Japanese macaques, also known as snow monkeys. Unlike in zoos, these monkeys roam freely in a semi-natural habitat, allowing visitors to observe them up close in their playful and social interactions. Reaching the park requires a 30-minute hike, which, although slightly challenging, rewards you with breathtaking panoramic views of Kyoto from the summit. Once at the top, you'll find a designated feeding area where you can purchase specially provided food to offer the monkeys. The park's location makes it an excellent combination with the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove and the Togetsukyo Bridge, allowing you to experience Kyoto's natural beauty, wildlife, and cultural sites all in one visit.
Number 6. Shopping in Kyoto.
Kyoto is not only a city of history and temples, but also a fantastic destination for traditional and modern shopping. Whether you're looking for handcrafted souvenirs, stylish kimono fabrics, or trendy boutiques, Kyoto has something for everyone. Key shopping areas: Teramachi and Shinkyogoku arcades. These covered shopping streets in downtown Kyoto feature a mix of traditional and contemporary stores selling everything from Japanese tea sets to the latest fashion trends. Kyoto Station Mall and Aeon Mall Kyoto. Perfect for visitors looking for a modern shopping experience, these malls house international and local brands, great dining options, and gift shops selling Kyoto's famous sweets. Nishijin Textile Center. This center specializes in Kyoto's famous Nishijin Ori textiles, offering visitors the opportunity to see kimono weaving demonstrations and purchase high-quality fabrics. Shijodori and Kawaramachi-dori. These bustling streets combine department stores, independent boutiques, and traditional craft shops, making them Kyoto's main shopping avenues. For a truly unique experience, you can also visit Kyoto's many antique markets, such as the monthly flea markets at Toji Temple and Kitano Tenmangu Shrine, where you can hunt for rare Japanese ceramics, vintage kimonos, and samurai memorabilia.
Number 5. Nijo Castle.
Nijo Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a symbol of the Tokugawa shogunate's power. Built in the 17th century by Tokugawa Ieyasu, the founder of the Edo period, the castle was designed as both a residence and a fortress. The most famous feature of Nijo Castle is its nightingale floors, ingeniously designed wooden floors that chirp like a bird when walked on, serving as an early security system to detect intruders. Within the castle grounds, you'll find the Ninamaru Palace, a spectacular example of Momoyama-era architecture, adorned with gold leaf-covered walls, intricate wood carvings, and exquisite painted sliding doors. Surrounding the castle are beautifully landscaped gardens, including the Siryu-en Garden, a peaceful retreat featuring carefully arranged rocks, a serene pond, and winding pathways. Nijo Castle is particularly magical in the spring when cherry blossoms bloom, and in the autumn when the maple trees create a stunning red and gold landscape.
Number 4. Kyoto Samurai and Ninja Museum.
The Kyoto Samurai and Ninja Museum offers a deep dive into Japan's legendary warriors. Samurai, once the elite military class of Japan, are known for their strict code of honor, discipline, and martial arts skills. The museum features an extensive collection of authentic samurai armor, swords, katana, and historical artifacts. Visitors can participate in interactive experiences, such as trying on samurai armor for a unique photo opportunity, learning how to wield a katana under the guidance of a trained instructor, throwing ninja shuriken, throwing stars, to experience traditional ninja techniques. This museum is perfect for history enthusiasts and families looking for an engaging, hands-on experience that brings Japan's warrior past to life.
Number 3. Kinkakuji, the Golden Pavilion.
While Kyoto is home to over 2,000 temples and shrines, Kinkakuji, or the Golden Pavilion, stands out as one of its most iconic landmarks. Covered in brilliant gold leaf, the temple reflects beautifully in the surrounding pond, creating one of the most photogenic sights in Japan. Originally built in the 14th century as a shogun's retirement villa, it was later transformed into a Zen Buddhist temple. The temple grounds feature exquisite gardens, peaceful walking paths, and a tea house where you can enjoy a cup of matcha while admiring the scenery. Whether visited in the snowy winter, cherry blossom spring, lush green summer, or fiery autumn foliage, Kinkakuji remains an unforgettable sight in Kyoto.
Number 2. Fushimi Inari Shrine.
Fushimi Inari Shrine is perhaps Kyoto's most famous shrine, renowned for its thousands of vermilion torii gates that create a mesmerizing tunnel through the sacred forest of Mount Inari. Dedicated to Inari, the Shinto god of rice and prosperity, this shrine is over 1,300 years old and continues to be one of Kyoto's most visited landmarks. The torii gates, donated by businesses and individuals, symbolize prayers for prosperity and good fortune. A hike through the winding trails of Mount Inari offers not only a spiritual experience, but also stunning panoramic views of Kyoto. For the best experience, visit early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid crowds and enjoy the shrine's mystical atmosphere.
Number 1. Day trips from Kyoto, bonus section.
If you have extra time in Kyoto, consider taking a day trip to one of these incredible nearby destinations. Osaka, a vibrant city famous for its street food, takoyaki and okonomiyaki, bustling nightlife, and Universal Studios Japan. Nara, home to the great Buddha of Tadaiji Temple and the friendly, free-roaming deer of Nara Park. Himeji, visit Himeji Castle, Japan's most spectacular and best-preserved feudal castle. Hiroshima and Miyajima, experience Hiroshima's Peace Memorial Park and see the stunning floating torii gate of Itsukushima Shrine on Miyajima Island.
And that wraps up our ultimate Kyoto travel guide. From the ancient temples and stunning shrines to the bustling markets, scenic nature spots, and immersive cultural experiences, Kyoto is truly a city that blends history, tradition, and modern beauty in the most magical way. We hope this video helps you plan an unforgettable trip to Kyoto. If you've been here before, let us know in the comments which spot was your favorite, or if there's a hidden gem we should add to our next Kyoto adventure. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to DSV Travel Trip, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest travel guides and tips. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Until next time, happy travels!